I could be in there and this could be on fire with a blowtorch and I'd be totally fine inside. I designed 2 of them like this for the volcano in Ethiopia. So the first ever zip line or traverse over the lava. So it's gonna another Guinness Book World Records thing. So we have the main suit itself. This is made by Carbon X, so it's all like fireproof materials, fireproof Velcros. The fabric's interesting. It has 6 thin layers of aluminum on it, and this is used to reflect the radiant heat from the lava away. And then the material itself is not flammable. So even the thread is made of Nomex, which is the stuff the race car drivers wear. So if they get caught on fire, it won't burn them. So I'll put on a little torch here and kind of visualize what happens. What it'll do is it'll burn off the metal. But if you look at the fabric, it turns red hot. But it won't actually burn through. So as long as we have a thin layer of insulation on the other side that's not flammable as well, the heat will not actually penetrate to your skin. Again, the heat in the overall suit will start to build up, so you will start to feel heat, but it won't burn your flesh. The biggest thing that has a prolonged period of time in the heat is that the core body temperature will rise up over 40 degrees Celsius and you might actually get heat exhaustion. So having a coolant vest inside or a coolant system is very important. On the next expedition I'm working on, it looks like right now we'll be working with NASA for building the helmet and for the coolant system, same as the astronauts are using. So with the heat suit, one of the most important parts is that we needed to be able to breathe through a gas mask. So underneath here, there's a vent here. That's to exhale air. So the gas mask we worn underneath, unfortunately, this guy doesn't have a gas mask on. But this connects into the gas mask. So there's filter pieces here. He breathes in through there. And they're protected with this, so he's not breathing any direct superheated air. It's breathing the air from within the suit. And then exhaling through the vent here so it doesn't exhale into the suit and it doesn't fog up the visor. And the visor, of course, is you can have the visor up when you're not using it. So, and then you can just put everything together when it's actually time to get into the heat. You can quickly hook that into the gas mask and then pull everything up to be more or less heat proof. Luckily we didn't need to make a completely healed system for this one, although some of the new heat suits I'm looking at are more kind of like an astronaut suit where there's very little way for air to even get into the suit in the first place.